before I start this video, guys, just make sure to like and subscribe and leave in the comments what you want me to make next in my home gym. I'm open to suggestions, and please let me know what I could improve or whatnot, just so I can have better content now for you guys. Okay, here we go. Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a lat pull-down bar attachment with no welding and basically household supplies. They're really expensive right now due to COVID, and they're really hard to find. So if you want to make one that's cost efficient in less than 5 minutes, I can help you out real quick. For this video, you're going to need some type of rope. Even a shoelace might work, like a circular shoelace like this. Or if you have any like camping equipment or have any sturdy type of rope like this might work, maybe. And you're gonna need a bar. If you have an easy curl bar like this, it would be recommendable. But if not, an old shower curtain rod would work. You could really make it your own way. You can personalize it if you want, but today I'm gonna show you how to make it in the most cost efficient way, and then I'm going to show you how you can make it with a little bit more money if you want to upgrade for higher weights. The first step of this is to make a joining knot between your string or your rope or whatever. So here there was a joining knot. It's a double fisherman, but for simplicity's sake, we're gonna just use a square knot. So square knot, real quick. So now you have your square knot, joining knot. Your second step is to make a prusik knot on whatever attachment you're gonna use, whether it's the easy curl bar or like the shower curtain or whatever you have at home. So here's the shower curtain. So prusik knot goes over like this. So that's one. And then we're just gonna loop it over one more time just for added protection, because prusiks are pretty strong. This is a camping knot. So or not a camping knot. These are a rock climbing knot. So these are actually safety knots, which you tie on when you go down, when you're climbing down mountains and stuff. So well, for this video, we're just gonna do 2, but you could do a 4 prusik, but you can actually do 6 or 8, depending on how heavy. And as you can see, it does not move at all. I'm gonna attach it on here, and I'm gonna show you how it looks with this one, with the shower curtain and the shoelace. It can withstand a pretty heavy amount of weight, but if you want to lift heavy amounts of weight, I'd suggest using an easy curl bar and maybe a thicker rope. Okay, I'm just going to attach this in. Like so. So it's attached in. Basically, this is what, 40 pounds? Easily 40 pounds. As you can see, there's no slippage in the knot. Try using a longer shoelace just to make sure there's a lot of room, but 40 pounds easily able to do with this mechanism. But I'll show you the one with the easy curl bar now. So now we're gonna use the actual rock climbing rope, which has a double fisherman on here, and we're gonna use the easy curl bar. The easy curl bar is a little bit better because it's sturdier. With using a shower curtain or something else, it may bend, which is a problem. Because if you're going a super heavy amount of weight, you don't want it to come down on you and then you just break your whole thing, right? I might need 2 hands for this. There you go. So that's our 4 prusik here. I'm just gonna clip it in. So now you can see it's clipped in. I'm just gonna show you a few reps with this. I'm just gonna go a little bit heavier weight so you can see. So now I'm just gonna lift 100 pounds with this, just so you guys can see that there will be no slippage in the knot at all and how it works. This is usually used for rock climbing, and it's used as a safety knot when you're like rappelling down and stuff. So here's just gonna be a few reps just so you guys can see. As always, guys, make sure to like and subscribe for more DIY home gym equipment.